What's up guys, it's Justin from Home Hacks. Today we're fixing to put on a faucet cover. I'm going to show you why it's so important to do this before it starts to freeze. Because let me tell you what, we don't want broken pipes, and we dang sure don't want any leaks or flood. Not this time of the year, because it's fixing to get cold. So head on over to your local Lowe's, Home Depot, hardware store, Walmart, shoot. Any place that pretty much carries anything should have them, unless they're sold out, which they might be by this evening. Alright, so these are a little bit more expensive by about 75 cents, but they work a little bit better. These things are extremely important in cold weather because if you don't have anything over the top, your pipe is gonna freeze up really, really tight and then explode. Which happened to us actually, but it wasn't our fault because we bought the house like this. So let's get this thing installed. Very important to make sure you take this piece and slip it over some part so you can make sure it's nice and tight on there. If you don't use that, there's nothing that's going to allow you to cinch it down. Take this sucker, put it right up on top there, it's a good fit. Take this piece, just like an elastic cord, you're going to pull it tight together, sink it on the wall so there's a good connection, and just boom. You're done. Hey, dogs are gonna love to chew on this stuff, so make sure they don't chew. No chewing, okay? Good boy. There you go. Make sure you don't just do one on your house. Make sure you do them all. And get them all done real quick. And get back inside because it's cold. This is why it's very important to get this over the right dewdropper. Know what I'm saying? There we go. So that's it. It's pretty self-explanatory, pretty dang simple, and it saves you a heck of a lot of money in plumbing bills and everything else. And you always want to make sure that your hoses are never connected in the winter, because oh geez, that's just going to be a horrible idea, and then yet again, your pipes are going to So, obviously, when you take these off, can't get that on like that, that ain't going to work. Make sure you take your hose off. This was actually the one that broke. We bought the house, when you turn it on, it flooded every single thing inside this house behind the foundation. It was pretty bad. We got ourselves a new frost-free spigot on there regardless, just to be safe, but we're still going to put this one on there. Put this over there nicely. There you have it. Good to go. Simple, easy, straightforward, everything you need to know. See ya!